What is up, guys? And today we have another YouTube video. Today we're going to be reviewing one of the newest Rubik's Cube on the market, the RS3M. This is a very, very good cube, and I'm very excited to try it out. So let's get right into this. So, here's the cube. So, without further ado, let's give a few turns. Oh my goodness, it's so fast to knock the camera over. Okay. This is amazingly fast compared to this one. Loud and grindy and slow. This thing's very fast and it's a very old Rubik's Cube. It's a very new one. It's a little too fast, honestly. Oh my goodness, like, how did it go like that? Oh my goodness. Like, oh my goodness, it's so quick and so, and the colors are so bright. I mean, the colors are so bright, and it's honestly an amazing cube. I would recommend this cube. Only $15 right now. Wow. Amazing cube. Corner cutting. Let's try that out. Oh my goodness, look at that. From right here. Corner cuts perfectly. How about right here? Oh my goodness. Right here maybe? Oh, it's stretching it. That's also pushing it very. Oh yeah. Very good. Reverse corner cutting. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Just like, it does like nothing. And look at how loose it is. I mean, look at, you can like literally, it's a very loose and very loose cube altogether. You can like, kind of, it's very, how do I put it? It's like loose as could be, man. It gives it the fast, quick feeling, snappy feeling here. It's a very nice cube. I would suggest it. $15. Speedcubeshop.com. So yeah, guys. This is a cube you should buy if you're on a budget. So. Yep, hope you enjoy. See you on the next video.